Hello, children. How are you? Are you fine? Yes? Do you know what day is today? Today is Wednesday, and it's story time. Es el día del cuento. Remember that? Okay. So today I have a story that is called Bear Snores On. Este cuento se llama El oso ronca y ronca. Do you remember that bears sleep a lot during the winter? ¿Ustedes se acuerdan que los osos cuando es invierno duermen mucho? ¿Sí? Que se la pasan invernando. Duermen en una cuevita y duermen muchos días. Bueno, este cuento se trata de un bear que está en invierno, que está dentro de su cueva durmiendo y ronca mucho. Y tienen que ver todo lo que pasa mientras ese bear está durmiendo. Do you want to listen to the story? It's very beautiful. Okay, here it goes. I hope you like it.
Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the Great Bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.
Okay, did you like it? Did you see all the friends that go into the bear's cave and all the things that they do? ¿Vieron todos los amigos que entran a la cueva de Bear y todas las cosas que hacen mientras él sigue durmiendo? Did you see it? Isn't it very funny? ¿No es muy divertida? Okay, I hope you liked it as much as I did. Espero que les haya gustado tanto como a mí. Okay, beautiful children. Mwah. See you next time. Bye bye.